and welcome to my Erina Nakari wig tutorial. To get this goddess of the tongue started, I'm using the NYX wig in Peach Blonde from Epic Cosplay Wigs. I start with the wig on my head to cut in the length of bangs that I want. Erina has a strange hairstyle that's primarily focused on a weird layered bang with these straight pieces that go through with a lot of layers as well. Before I can start styling this weird hairstyle, I section off the little straight pieces with small elastics, securing them at the front of my face to avoid accidentally cutting them off. Next, I section the front. Then I realized that I need to tie back the length of the hair to avoid any kitchen incidents. Now I cut the length of the hair that I want for the weird bangs. Before putting my wig on Jonathan, current wig head heartthrob across 17 countries in Europe and North America for further styling. With the wig secured, I can go into roughly sectioning off and styling the wig by cutting in the layers where I'd like them to fall. This is a rough cut that I'm keeping on the slightly longer side to provide an allowance for teasing and styling the hair later on. After, I go right into pinning off some of the sections and curling the wig. Erina's hair is weird, so by curling it, I get a better idea of what I'm working with from a styling standpoint. I curl the wig with a flat iron, curling downwards and holding the fibers briefly as they cool. For Erina's little devil horns, I curl the section I set aside upwards and tightly, allowing it to cool before moving on. Repeat and be sure to hairspray, those little horns like to misbehave. Partially untying the strands from earlier, I move on to styling the bangs, but not before pinning the strands to the side to avoid them from accidentally getting cut. From there, I cut and style in some fluffy, godly bangs with many layers. Erina has a lot of cute little layers in her bangs, so I'm cutting in the layers very liberally before thinning out the ends and then adding volume by curling the bangs inwards and backcombing with a barrel brush. For the overall length of Erina's hair, I'm taking it out of the ponytail, then flat ironing any imperfections. Erina is the god tongue. She's going to have perfect straight hair, despite the fact that the front of her hair is a hot mess. Finally, take out the hair ties, keeping your hair strands together, and cut them to your desired length. I kept mine on the longer side, and I did not properly frame this shot so you can't see it, so I'm sorry, it's just a blunt cut, nothing too difficult. Then you're done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and a huge thank you to Epic Cosplay Wigs for sponsoring. I hope this helps you look like the god tongue hard-ass chef of your dreams. This wig was surprisingly hard to style, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you guys use this tutorial for your own Erina cosplay, please tag me. Be sure to be safe if you're posing with sharp cutlery though. Let me know what wig tutorial you want to see next. Until then, bye!